So welcome to another video about tone tools from Idaka America. This is an Amazon customer that ordered this guy. Kind of rare for us, thought I'd make a video about it. 72 teeth, 9.5 or quarter inch drive on it. Little stubby guy, probably what, 4 inches or so, flex head, both directions. Let's see what we got here. Short ratchet, handle holder type, RH3FHS. And also, while I'm at it, we just got their new English catalogs, where everything is in English now as opposed to the old one, which was all in Japanese. So anyway, just another cool item we got in. Wanted to show it off. Little bitty ratchet. Thank you.